Socket weld flanges. Socket weld flanges have a socket in which a pipe is inserted. The pipe is secured by one fillet weld located on the exterior of the flange hub. A significant disadvantage with this type of flange is that it is not considered a high-integrity joint because the weld is difficult to prove. Thus socket weld flanges are only suitable for low to medium classes, less than or equal to ASME 600. Due to their lower integrity and unsuitability for use at higher pressures, socket weld flanges almost always have flat or raised faces. Socket weld flange cross-section. Socket weld flanges are designed for small nominal pipe sizes, less than or equal to 4 inches, less than or equal to 10 centimeters, and are common for 1/2 to 2 inch pipe sizes, 1.3 to 5 centimeters pipe sizes. The mechanical strength of a socket weld flange is similar to that of a slip-on flange, but the slip-on flange may use 2 welds. The ASME 31.3 standard states that an approximate gap of 1/16 of an inch, 1.5 millimeters, between the socket and pipe end is required. This gap allows for thermal expansion due to welding and reduces the likelihood that the weld will crack. In practice, this means that the pipe should be fully inserted into the flange, then retracted by the desired amount, 1/16 of an inch, 1.5 millimeters. This gap has been highlighted red on the above image. The advantage of socket weld flanges is their simple design. They are well suited for small pipe size applications, e.g. 2 inches, 5 centimeters, and below, and for non-critical applications, e.g. non-hazardous systems. They are not suitable for highly erosive or corrosive systems. Non-destructive testing, NDT, techniques. Socket weld flanges have only one fillet weld, and this can be subjected to radiography to prove the weld, although in practice it is impractical. Magnetic particle inspection, MPI, and dye penetrant inspection, DPI, can be used to prove the weld. ASME standards. Socket weld flanges are not specified in ASME Class 2500 rating as per the ASME B 16.5 standard. The ASME B 31.3 standard states that an approximate gap of 1/16 of an inch, 1.5 millimeters, between the socket and pipe end is required.